Welcome back, guys. How you all doing? Today is currently Monday, and I'm back again with another episode. So, if you are new here and are here to subscribe, do it to click that subscribe button. Click that subscribe button, and also like this video if you think you're finding value. Come on, let's get to 1,000,000 subscribers. You feel me? Click that. We're almost at 1,000,000 subscribers. So click. Be one of those 1,000,000 subscribers. So let's move. So last week, I didn't record or I didn't show you the account stats for both the live trade forex account and the Profem account. So I decided to do that today, Monday. As you all know, according to strategy, we don't trade on Mondays. So today there's no trade. So I just want to run through. Let me just run through the stats. Okay, stats. So right here I have my Maven dashboard open, and as you can see, we ended last week in 5,295 equity. So we're up about 5.9%, which means that we just have like 2.1 or less than 3% to go. So just one win. If we have one good win tomorrow, we are done with this phase one. We're moving on to phase two immediately. Just one good win tomorrow, we are done. We're passing this phase one and we're moving to phase two. So it's progress. So also, if I just scroll through, all the stats, we don't care about all this, or I don't care about all this. So we're 73% into passing this. We have just, remaining 104.77 left. So that's just 2.1% or so. So you see today's trade 0, nothing 0. Best trade 161, USGPY, worst trade, GPGPY. I don't really care about this stuff. What I care about is there. So this is last week. If you can see, this is last week. So last week we ended the week with what? 2% also. That's 2 hours. Last week's video. So we took a trade on Wednesday, which stopped me out in a loss. This was the trade I was talking about. Right, I was risking 50 USD. But when it closed out at 58 USD because of slippage. So, and the second one, it closed out at 161 USD. You understand? That's because we had a late entry. You understand? We had a late entry, so it was already in drawdown before I took the trade. If not, it would have closed about 148 or 150 thereabouts. So that was that, and then the week ended up strong 2 hours. So then if I just show you, that is for the Maven. Then if I just show you the live trading accounts. Okay, so this is the summary of the live trading accounts. Let me go to the beginning. So you can see the excess account, deposits. You already know, for those that follow this episode from the first, you know that the deposit, I've explained why the deposit is reading 10,000, not 1,000, because I used to use this account for like a wallet before. So, but bear in mind that we deposited 15 USD, that's 1,500 cents on this account. So the profit we have made so far is 1,865, and the current balance is 3,000. So we have gained about 170%, which means we have managed to double or more than double this account right now. And if you check this is the charts, the growth charts. It's quite nice. It's trending upside smoothly, which is how it's expected to be for a profitable strategy anyways. So if you check profitability, so this one says we're 50% profitable. It might increase with time or it might reduce with time, but at this point in time we are 50% profitable. That's good. So another thing I'd like to check is the average trade time. Average trade length is 9 hours. Average trade length is 9 hours. Worst trade is 158 USD. Right? No, average loss is 158. Average win is 469, which is very strong. That's because remember it's 3 hours. Then the profit factor, which is the most important. The profit factor means it's 2.96. You understand? Maybe because of some little error here and there, it's supposed to be 3 because I'm trying to gain 3 every single time. So which means that for every single one of my losses, my win is like 2.96 more than the average of my losses. So, and then lastly, just check the month. See how it is. May, month of May, we closed about 53%, and then June is still ongoing. So this is not the end of June. So June managed to, or we are currently 42% in. Remember, we started this month of June with about 2,400 thereabouts. Yeah, if I'm right, 2,400. Then we are now at 3,400. So we are up this month. If I just click on it, you see that we've only traded USDPY and CHFGPY this month. How many trades so far? So CHFGPY 1 trade, USDPY 3 trades. So I've taken 4 trades so far this month. Okay, and last month we took a lot of trades. Last month 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8. So we took 8. So plus 4 this month, that's about 12 trades in total, which aligns also with the overall trade taken on the account. Remember, we had 12 trades on the account. If I scroll back to this win rate, 12 trades taken, 6-1. We won 6 out of 12. You understand? Which this month we only won 2. You understand? We took 4 this month, we won 2, we lost 2. So that's it for the stats. This week is going to be a blessed week. It's going to be a great week. For me, for you, for all of us, it's going to be a great week. It's going to be a blessed week, an amazing week, and I'm optimistic to how this week is going to turn out. I believe I'm passing this phase 1 this week. If you believe it, say amen with me. So on that note, we start this week in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Peace. So welcome back, guys. Good morning. And today is currently Tuesday, and it is the first trading day for me. And I've analyzed the market as usual, and I've spotted opportunity on USDJPY and CHFJPY. So, but right now USDJPY is still, dangling within the above my entry point. You understand? You all know how I like to enter. It close below that 7.75 first. Then I enter for the retracement, but CHFJPY has broken out already. So I set the pending order for CHFJPY. You know what I do? If I have 5-6 opportunities for the day, I look for the one that triggers me in first, and I delete others. So, but right now I've set CHFJPY on MetaTrader, and I'm looking to short that market. So if USDJPY is close to breaking out, if it breaks out and triggers me before CHFJPY, I'm going to delete that CHFJPY pending order and take USDJPY. So that's where I'm going to do it. So let's just see how the today plays out. I'm positive about today. I pray today is a win so that I get to pass this challenge and begin phase 2. Nonetheless, the personal account is also growing. I took the trade also there, and the profit account also is growing. So regardless of the result, it's still a good week as long as I follow the plan, and I'm making sure I'm following the plan. So let's see how it goes. Peace. USDJPY actually broke down, which I'll put the recording. It broke down. Then after breaking down, I had to set pending order for both CHFJPY and USDJPY, and I was monitoring it closely to check which one is going to, trigger me in first. Fortunately, USDJPY triggered me in first, so I had to delete the pending order for CHFJPY. So after deleting it, the market played like up and down for a bit, and then eventually in around 3 thereabouts, past 3, it stopped me out in loss, which I was able to capture live
and I'll most likely put this screen recording. Maybe after this clip, I'll just hang it, somewhere here. So it took me as a loss. Not bad. I was expecting today to be a win, actually, but it wasn't a win. So at the end of the day, it's still a win for me because I followed my rules. You understand? So it stopped me out in negative 1%. That's for the day. That's I captured it on the live account, but the profit account I've not checked what it closed me. Maybe it's closed me for 49 USD or more. I've not checked. So hopefully I get a trade again tomorrow and it's a win. But the thing is that now, even if I get a win tomorrow, now I will just be around 7%. I will have point something left to pass the prop firm, which means I technically still need at least a winning trade, or maybe almost. If it goes halfway in profit, I'll pass the challenge. You understand? So I may not be able to pass it in one trade again. You understand? So, but that's just how it is. That's how it is. So hopefully I come again tomorrow and I take a win. You understand? And then the live accounts are growing. Is back at 32 USD from 15 USD. It's still progress. You understand? At the end of the day, it's still progress. With all the wins and the losses, it's still progress at the end of the day. So let's see how this week is going to end. It started well. This week started well. In my own record, it started well, and it's going to end well. So let's go. I'll see you again tomorrow. Peace.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. How was the night? I hope you slept well. And I just analyze. So let me just walk you step by step. I analyze the market, and today there was a whole lot of opportunities. A whole lot. I believe GBGPY, USGPY, CJGPY, EuroGPY, and NZGPY. I believe all of them, they gave me opportunities today. So it's ridiculous for me to set penny order on everything. So, but the closest to the entry was GPGPY. So I went to my forex calculator. It was about the trade was about 31 pips, which you can see right there. Then I went to set limit order for only GBGPY on my MetaTrader platform. And because my tablet is dead right now, so I had to log in my account also in on my phone. You understand? So why I didn't log it on my phone before, I managed it through the other devices, because I had almost made mistake one day by trying to trade two accounts of different size. On the first one I risked $2, which is 240 cents. You understand? And the profit account I risked 50. But one day I actually mistakenly, I didn't check it properly and see that I was setting the limit order on the prop firm. You understand? So I entered the trade, set the limit order. Before I went back and realized that the one that I set 240 was actually $240 on the prop firm, which is like 5%. The day I would have lost it if that trade had triggered. So that was why I avoided it in the first place. But now that the device is dead, I just have to log in on my phone. So that's the screen recording on my phone. I entered for both the prop firm account and the live account. So something funny happened, which happens in different kind of broker, different because of different price or slippage. The live account actually triggered in already. The live account triggered in already, but the prop firm account did not trigger in. So I'm still hoping that it will trigger in. You understand? And also we have news, GBP news coming by 7 on dot, which I'm hoping that it will be in my favor. If it's not in my favor, if it's really active, because it's a major news. If it's really active, it will either move me to stop loss quick or take profit quicker, any of the two. So regardless, I'm positive for the day, and I'm hoping today is a great day. You understand? If today is a great day and close out in profit, then tomorrow also I'll be hoping to make profit. If today can close in profit, and tomorrow also, if I see a trade and it close in profit, then that means I'm definitely passing it this week. You understand? It will be one loss, 2 wins for the week. And that's what I'm prophesying actually. So that's it for the update. I'll just keep you posted the way the account is going. So thank you for sticking around. Just keep sticking around. Keep enjoying the process. You feel me? Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back at your screen. Peace. So quick update is moving nicely now. The Profit account has finally been triggered in. Just before the news, it was triggered in, and fortunately for us, it's moving the trade like perfectly in our favor. You feel me? So it's halfway across profit right now, as you can see in the screen record. That's the trading view screen record, and also the accounts, both the Profit accounts. Profit account is about 60 USD profit right now, just roughly above 1%, and the live account too is about 280 plus. So I'm hoping it's a win. You understand? You know how we do it. We don't touch the trade, we don't break even, we don't do nothing. Just with either stop loss or take profit. So which I'm hopeful that it's going to take profit. So today we're coming out today strong. I'm coming out of today with a win, and definitely tomorrow we're also coming out with a win, because I really wish to pass the account this week. But regardless, I won't force trades, I won't do nothing. You understand? I won't force trades. So I just have to keep on sticking to the rule. And the irony of this is that when this gets to close in a profit, the account will just be about 7.8%. You know, somebody can be like, let me just quickly look for one small opportunity and scalp. That's when you begin to sabotage your account. So I've done it in the past. That's why I'm speaking from experience. I've done it in the past. That's cost me a lot. So even if when it closes in profit, I'm about 7.8. I just have 0.2% left to pass the challenge. I'm still going to come back tomorrow to check for opportunity. And if I don't see tomorrow, that means I'm ending this week with 7.8% in profit. It's still better to me than taking a loss and sabotaging all the growth we have. Because we have been trading the account since May, 14th of May. It's over a month. Today is 16th. Today is 17th. It's over a month of trading this Profit account. So, and finally, we are very close to passing the first phase. And that's just the first step. We still have the phase 2. We still have the live phase. So I like to look at it as 3 phases, because we have to pass phase 1, phase 2, and we also have to get paid. And to get paid means the discipline from the first phase has to carry us on to the live phase, which is the 3rd phase. So until the money is withdrawn, we have not actually passed or made any money. So that's it. Let's see how the trade plays out, and I'll update you. Peace. Yep, and finally I just received notification that the trade has been closed. So I opened the charts and I saw that both accounts did take profit. We did manage to close almost 8%, because the balance, I think, our left at about $6 or $8 to get to 8%. But it's fine. We'll come again tomorrow. I hope to find a trade tomorrow that is a win. I hope so. Understand? I've not decided yet. Maybe I'm risking 1% or I'm risking 0.5% actually. But let's see how tomorrow goes. I am optimistic that this week, this phase 1 is going to be cleared. So, and the life account too is growing fine. It's
going fine. Now the balance is at 39 USD. We have made about $2,000. I mean 2,000 US cents plus. That's 20 USD. We have made about $20 plus on that account, and I'm enjoying the growth. Actually, it's growing nicely. It's growing nicely. You understand? So let's see how it plays out. We'll come again tomorrow and we'll do our thing. So let's see how it goes, man. I wish you all success, and I wish you the best. Peace. So welcome back, guys. Today is Friday, 19th of June. So yesterday I just did screen recording all through. You understand? I did screen recording all through. So this is me like walking you through how the journey went yesterday. So yesterday I analyzed the market. I saw opportunity on USDJPY and AUDJPY. So USDJPY, I saw opportunity to sell. AUDJPY, I saw opportunity to buy. When the market does like this, I'm always skeptical when I'm having like two opposites in direction, because this pair is supposed to trend alike. But nonetheless, I just have to follow the plan, no choice. So USDJPY happened to be the first to trigger me in, and I set my pending order. It was the closest to the entry. I set my pending order for a sale. It triggered me in. You see the screen recording. It triggered me in and immediately into losses. You know how it does. So then after some time I checked it again. It was in little profit, about 4 USD. I'm talking about the profit in my account now, about 4 USD profit. And you know that I needed just 8 USD to pass this challenge. But something happened. I messed up. Now I should have like put my TP at about maybe $12 or $15 because of charges. You understand? So that by the time it will close out, it will close around 400 on dot. But I didn't. I was hoping that I'll be monitoring it. So I kept on monitoring it, observing it, so that once I get the 8 USD, I'll close manually. Why? Because of charges, And I thought I could monitor it. So eventually, by the time I came back, the market created a spike at around 10 a.m. I can't remember the time now, but you see it in the screen record. The market created a spike. That spike, if I had set my TP, it would have closed me at the spike moved about $35 and $25 in profit. If I had set TP, it would have closed me, and I'll just passed this challenge. But nonetheless, it spiked down and immediately closed back up. You understand? And maybe due to news or something. And eventually, the market kept playing around until it closed in stop loss of about 1%. Very sad. But the first thing that will come to mind is for me to just revenge trade or try to find a way to just pass, because I had a lot of like assurance that I'm passing this challenge this week. But I didn't want to do anything like that. I didn't want to sabotage the account. I just accepted my loss with joy. I accepted my loss with joy, and I stepped back. Come on, you have to give me kudos for that. I'm telling you. Even today, I was like, can I just see opportunity and just trade? And Friday is not in the room. Can I just see opportunity just to pass this profit bar? I remember the reason for this challenge is to stick to one strategy, the rule, like in and out. You understand? Which is actually helping me in my journey. It's actually helping me. I'm telling you, it's helping me more than content for content's sake. So it's helping me keep my discipline. I know what I would have done if I wasn't like documenting this on YouTube. I know what I would have done. But I thank God, it's all for the best. So eventually this week we had a loss on Tuesday, a win on Wednesday, and a loss on Thursday. So we ended this week with about 1 hour in profit. So the account was at 5+ hour last week. So we're currently at 6%. So hopefully next week we get to pass. You understand? I'm not chasing the market anymore. Next week we come back on Tuesday again, and then I take my trade. Hopefully it's a win. If I get a win on Tuesday next week, then I'm passing. So the live account too is also grew this week. But one thing I just noticed that from like I've had like 3 weeks straight profitable or 4 weeks profitable weeks straight. 2 hour, 2 hour, 2 hour, no 5 hour, 2 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, something like that. Which is amazing. It's amazing, it's amazing because I don't think I've ever like been consistent as this. You understand? As I said, that this documentation is actually really is helping me to stick to my strategy and keeping me accountable. So that's it. I believe that next week, because it seems like as if I average 2 hours per week. I don't know. So I believe next week I should be able to pass this challenge. I should be able to pass this challenge. So nonetheless, I appreciate the love, the support. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for coming back to watch again. Understand? And I wish you all a wonderful week next week. Wonderful week. Perfect trading week. No losses. That's what I wish for you guys. Understand? I wish for myself also. No losses. So if you're here to subscribe, do well to subscribe. Encourage me. We're almost at 1 million subscribers. If you can see, we're almost at 1 million subscribers. So let's push it to 1 million subscribers. You feel me? And share also. Let others come on board. So see you guys next week. I appreciate you.